If you regularly use an oxygen concentrator for oxygen therapy, you may be wondering, how often should I change my nasal cannula? Changing your cannula isn't just about keeping it clean on the outside. Because cannulas are made of plastic, they can deteriorate over time. You can't always see the tiny cracks and pores that form on the inside, but these cracks can become breeding grounds for bacteria and mold, as well as places where irritants like dust, dirt, and pollen can get stuck. Proper upkeep and replacement of your cannula and tubing can keep it contamination-free. Here are 3 factors to consider to determine if it might be time to change your cannula. First, think about how often you use your cannula. If you're only using your tubing for a few hours a day, we recommend changing your cannula every 3 to 6 months. If you use your concentrator for more than a few hours per day, we recommend changing your cannula every month. Extension tubing should also be replaced regularly, usually every 3 months, or according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Second, ask yourself, have I been sick recently? If you've been sick recently or just gotten over a cold, you need to replace your cannula and tubing right away. A bacterial infection can return even after you've gotten over it because the bacteria is still present in the tubing. A viral infection can mutate if it's still living in the tube and come back even stronger. While you're sick and for a few weeks after you get better, we recommend changing your cannula at least once per week. Lastly, let's talk about how often you should wash the tubing. As a general rule of thumb, you should clean your nasal cannula daily in between replacements with a sanitizing wipe to keep it free from bacteria. Once a week, you should wash your cannula with soap and vinegar. We recommend washing with 1 part water and 1 part vinegar to safely kill the germs. Then wash it in hot water with a small amount of liquid detergent such as Dawn dish soap. Rinse it thoroughly and hang it to dry. Make sure it is completely dry before using it again. We recommend having 2 cannulas with you at all times in case you lose one or need to wash one. In summary, the 3 factors you can use to determine how often to change your cannula are usage amount, whether you've been sick, and how often it's been washed. Every oxygen concentrator we sell, whether new or used, comes with a brand new cannula. Our nasal cannulas and tubes are inexpensive and always in stock. We have a variety of cannulas including soft, long and short, Bluetooth-like single-sided, high flow, and more. When you need to purchase a nasal cannula, please contact our oxygen specialists. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.